Hi guys, my name is Nonima Tigela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about Judge Rata and other things that are happening. Remember guys, I once said that the way Judge Rata believes in Kinenda, it will shock you every day as if you are getting an electric shock. Now, Umalume answering by God is also talking about that. And I'm like, okay, so a lot of us see this. It's not just me. It's a lot. He says, I can't forget the reverence Rata has for Gininda, the love, honor, and respect he has for him. On multiple occasions, he made us believe Gininda was a man of integrity who took a course on ethics as if merely taking a course makes you ethical. Mara uchaji Rata naye guys, Gota sometimes. Come on. Haibo. Atilol state defenders are now clinging to the fact that, to the fact that Absalom Zungu mentioned TikTok, hoping that the state can dismiss his testimony as something he got from TikTok. The desperation is wild. It won't be that simple, fam. It will take a miracle to undo this damage. Guys, the damage has been done. The damage has been done, and it's been done by who? The one person that Judge Rata has reverence for, Gininda. That's the sad reality for him. What we know now is that Constable Zungu also lied under oath. Perjury is loading. And who brought Constable Zungu in the mixture? Same. Brigadier Gininda, the one that is loved by Judge Rata, whom he respects a lot. What state supporters must understand is this: Zungu Senior is not a defense witness. Calling him does not make him one in South African law. The Constitution gives the defense the right to challenge flawed, forged, or fabricated evidence. Calling the alleged maker of a disputed statement is part of that right. Is part of that right. Huh? Let's read that again. Uthi umalume, the Constitution gives the defense the right to challenge flawed, forged, or fabricated evidence. Calling the alleged maker of a disputed statement is part of that right. So when they call Zungu Senior, he's not their witness. He is the state witness. Ukuthi he comes here and then he changes gears on them. Well, that's not the problem of the defense. The state must lie down on the bed that you made, guys. So let's continue. Let's be clear. Zungu Senior insists, Zungu Senior is assisting the court, not the defense. He is there because the state tied his name to the case, and now that evidence is collapsing. It's a lot. The old man is alleging a lot, even abduction by Brigadier Gininda, Constable Zungu, and the company. Do you think Baloyi will cross-examine Zungu Senior himself, or will he hand him over to Sibanda? We will see. Rata's court is a joke. His orders can simply be ignored by the state or the DCS. He issued a directive about the I-5 where I-5 must be kept for the remainder of the trial. And even after senior prison officials gave guarantees in court, the order was still not allowed. Okay. But the bottom line here is that Umalume, what he is saying here is that the people that are supporting the state, it's not going to change anything. We are where we are now. The state must deal with the consequences of their actions. Their actions being bottom line, bottom line, Absalom Zungu's evidence isn't a minor difficulty for the state. It's the moment the prosecution's own record turned on them. That's it. They started this, they must deal with it. There's nothing they can do here. There's absolutely nothing they can do here. It's just said. Because wow. The old man is real. One thing about Ubabu Zungu, he is not happy with how things were done with him. He's very angry, really angry that his name was mentioned in vain and tainted, whereas this was his son's doing and Gininda. it's quite interesting, but time will tell what is going to happen with the entire case altogether. Time will tell. One thing for sure is that Judge Ratta is not a man that has it easy at these days. It's not easy to be him because wow, Sanalam. Wow, Sanalam. Wow, 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 wow. Kunzima. 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 And one of the things that is quite interesting, maybe I need to check that out. Did the media houses invite legal experts over the weekend? They liked to do it perhaps on Sundays. Did they do that? If they did, please send me to that link. I want to see it. But it looks like they are like, yo, Asizi. They are not reporting as they should in the case. Umalume naye uthi it's quite interesting that none of the media houses have brought in legal experts to unpack the Absalom Zungu development in the Senzo Meyiwa trial and its potential impact on the case. They've gone quiet and are completely ignoring the story at SABC News. He's tagging them. He's tagging them. But we will see what's going to happen when it comes to the entire situation. We will deal with the signature saga on the next video. But one thing important here is that Oksalayo, the state case collapsed when Absalom Zungu took the stand. They never thought Absalom Zungu will make it to court. He did. Oh, he sure did, Sanalam. He sure did. He sure did made it to the court. I wonder what's happening with Sizwe Zongo. Is he still here in the Western Cape province at Mobri police station? How are his colleagues looking at him now? Selling your own father, leaving him alone in the bushes, not caring, not checking on him. I wonder what's happening with him wherever he is because wow, Sanalam. Wow, what a wow. Shocker of all times, Sanalam. Sizwe Zongo. Disgraced of a son. He is a disgrace of a son. More importantly, the state case collapse. We've been saying something is off with this Senzo Meyiwa trial. Something, if we believed the accused on day one, when they said, I'm not entering that dock because I don't know why I should. I don't know Senzo. I have nothing to do with the Senzo Meyiwa case. We should have believed them then when they told us as South Africans. But hey, we needed more ammunition to, yeah, we needed ammunition. Yeah, we needed. We were like, something. And I choose number 3 was number 1 to say, angeni lapho mina. Angizuyenza, ngingena ngifunani lapho. Ngingena ngifunani lapho, angibulalanga Senzo. Ngingena ngifunani lapho, angibulalanga Senzo. That was that. So, guys, at this point, kubi for estate, kubi. It's really sad. It's sad times for them. What are your thoughts when it comes to all of this? Let's talk in the comment section. I want to hear your views. Thank you so much. I will see you on our next video. Bye-bye.